Hello and welcome! My name is Alek, and in this video I will show you how to create an email address with your domain name inside Hostinger for free. I suggest watching this tutorial twice for the best experience. First, dive into the content and take in all its information. Then, on your second run through, follow along with instructions step by step. What is a custom email address with your domain name? Imagine you have your website and let's say it's called example.com. When you create an account online, you use your everyday email address, which ends with something like @gmail.com or @yahoo.com. However, a custom email address with your domain name means you have an email address ending with your website's name, like your name @example.com. It looks more professional and is unique to your website. Plus, it helps people remember your website better when they see your domain email address. On your business card or website, you should use an email address that matches your website's name instead of a regular one. Do you need web hosting for a custom email domains? You do not need a website or subscription to a web hosting platform to get a custom email domain. But you'll need a domain name, and you can register a new domain name at namecheap.com for under $6. If you decide to get your Hostinger business account, you will get a free domain name for the first year. I will leave the links in the description box so you can check them later. Now that you know some basic information about an email domain, let me show you how easy it is to create your custom email address with your domain name inside the Hostinger web hosting account. It's completely free, and if you get the Hostinger business account, you can create up to 100 email addresses. From your Hostinger homepage, go to Emails. As you can see on the screen, I already created domain emails for 2 websites, which are entirely free. They expire in February of 2026 because I acquired my business account at Hostinger for 2 years. After 2 years, all you need to do is to renew your account. Now, in the Setup Free Email Service section, click Setup. When the Setup New Plan pop-up window opens, click Confirm. Next, click on Select. Now it's time to select your email name. I will enter Alek, and you can enter your name, admin, contact, info, whatever you want. After that, you must choose a password related to that email address. Select your password and click on Create. You can skip this second option, and your professional email address will be created. With this email, you will receive a separate Webmail account that you can access with the new email address and password you created for that address. Webmail is an email service that sends and receives emails for your domain, in this case inside your web hosting account. Click on Webmail, enter the email password, and click Login. Like using your Gmail or Yahoo account, this is where you can create, send, and receive email messages related to your newly created email address. To log out, click the red button in the lower left corner of your screen, and that's it. This is how you create your free domain email address. You can create up to 100 email addresses using the same method I just showed you. Each email address has 1 GB of storage. What if you want to delete an email address? It is very simple. All you need to do is click on these 3 little dots Click on Delete and delete again. What if you want to create another email address? All you need to do is click here where it says Create Email Account and follow the same process as you did when you created your first email address. That would be all for this tutorial. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of it. I hope you found value in learning how to create a custom email address with your domain name inside Hostinger web hosting for free. Now I have a small but super important favor to ask. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss out on future tutorials. By subscribing, you're supporting this channel, but you also help other small creators and users like yourself discover this video. It's a win-win for everyone. So, click subscribe and activate the algorithm to help more people create their custom email address inside Hostinger, just like you did today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.